सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम नमः पाणिनि कात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार। वेलकम टू अवर 288 अद्य कक्षा संख्या अस्ति 88-द्विशततमी कक्षा। अभ्यासः 97-द्विशततमः अभ्यासः। We are on 288th class today and the exercise is more than the class number 297th exercise abhyasa. And you know, dear students, we have been practicing for the last few days, fortnight rather, Shatru Pratyahanta. Shatru is an active participle used in Sanskrit in all the three genders. We have been doing Shatru Pratyahanta Pullinga and Napumsakalinga and Strilinga also in all the three genders. And soon we are going to see the other aspect of the present active participle, that is Shanach Pratyaya, which is coming in this book itself. So with that Shatru, Shanach, both participles, active participles will be done. So in this part of the Shatru, there are bahavaha tatra abhyasaha santi. Abhyasan kurmaha agre saramaha, kurvantaha agre saramaha, abhyasan kurvantaha agre saramaha vayam. Adya abhyasa sankhya asti 97-द्विशततमः अभ्यासः। यत्र उदाहरणानुसारं तृतीयान्तरूपैः रिक्तस्थानानि पूरणीयानि सन्ति. So Srinivasa, you can.
भोजयन्त्या मात्रा उक्तम.
Bhojayanti iti given there, feminine. And now we are practicing feminine Shatru Pratyahanta. Bhojayanti matra uktam. Bhojayantya matra. Since matra shabda, matru shabda is tritiya ekavachana. You know, remember matru shabda. Mata, mataro, mataraha, mataram, mataro, matruhu, dvitiya. That is the only change. If you remember, Matru and Pitru both are derived exactly the same. The difference lies only in Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Matru Shabda is derived as Matruhu. Pitru Shabda is derived as Pitrun. And the rest of the 20 forms, 7 into 3, excluding the Sambodhana, even Sambodhana if you take also, 22 forms, 21 plus 4, 23 forms are exactly like Pitru Shabda. He Mataha, He Pitaha, Pitaram, Matram, Pitra, Matra, Pitre, Matre, Pituhu, Matuhu, Matuhu, Pituhu, Pitari, Matari, everything is same. Only Matruhu, Dvitiya Bahuvachane, Matruhu iti Matru Shabdaha, Pitru Shabdaha, Pitrun iti Bhavati, Tat Avadheyam. So, Bhojayantya Matra, Matra Trutiya Ekavachanam. यतः मातृ शब्दस्य अत्र तृतीया एकवचनं प्रयुक्तम् अतः भोजयन्ति इति पदे अपि तृतीया एकं शत्रु प्रत्ययान्ते अपि तृतीया योजनीया भोजयन्त्या इति. सो भोजयन्त्या मात्रा उक्तम. इट वाज सेड बाय द मदर हु वाज फीडिंग. भोजयन्त्या मात्रा बाय द मदर हु वाज फीडिंग. एंड सिमिलरली पठता, Patan is given Pullinga. Balakena. Balakena is Pullinga. So Patan is given, not Patanti. This is Pullinga. So this will be derived in Tutiya of Pullinga. Patata. Patan, Patantam, Patata, Patate, Patataha. I am deriving the Ekavachanas. Patan, Patantam, Patata, Trutiya, Chaturthi, Patate, Panchami, Patataha, Shashti, Patataha, Patati, Saptami, Ekavachana. Patati, which sounds like Latlakara. Patati is Saptami Ekavachana in Shatru Pratyahanta. Patati is singular Prathama Purusha Ekavachana in present tense. So Shatru Pratyahanta sometimes may confuse you. It looks like a regular verb in Saptami Ekavachana. So patata palakena likhati. Likhati. Oh, there's a mistake here. Likhati is wrong. Likhyati. It should be likhyate. Patata balakena likhyate. How can likhati come there? So there is or likhitam. Either it should be likhitam, written, or is written, likhyate. But likhati is totally wrong here. Balakena likhati is, there's a mistake. Why this is, whether it is covered in Parisystem, let us see. What number page? 618. No, it is not. Patan is Patantaha. 12th line. There is a mistake in 12th line. Where is Patantaha given? 618. Charcham. This is covered, this is not covered actually. Okay, anyway. That's a mistake only. I just noticed it. So you can take next.
Dash Guruna Adishtam Prabodhayat.
Prabodhayat. So Prabodhayat, you put Guru Shabda is Pullinga. Yes. So what will you take? Prabodhayata Guruna Adishtam. Yes. What would be the meaning? You understand? Prabodhayata means by teaching. It was ordered by the teacher who was teaching. Prabodhayata, who was instructing, etc. Prabodhayata Guruna. Guruna iti padam trutiya ekavachane asti iti karanat. Prabodhayat iti shatrupratyantam api trutiyayam eva bhavet. अतः प्रबोधयता गुरुना आदिष्टम. आदिष्टम इति क्तांत प्रयोगः. क्तांत पास्ट एक्टिव पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट पैसिव पार्टिसिपल. आई एम सॉरी, पास्ट पैसिव पार्टिसिपल. दिस इज आदिष्टम ऑर्डर्ड बाय द गुरु हु वाज टीचिंग, हु वाज लेक्चरिंग, हु वाज एटसेट्रा. 3. तया गीतम स्मरन्ति. महिला
हसितम गच्छन्ति महिलया. So Gachanti has to be in Tritiya.
Oh, sorry, second that Gachanti. Dash Gachanti Mahilaya. Mahilaya is Strilinga Shabda. Yes. So Gachantya Mahilaya Hasitam. That is the lady who was going, the going lady laughed. This cannot be translated, as you know. Gachantya Mahilaya Hasitam, it was laughed by the lady who was going. It was laughed by the lady who was going. No. The going lady laughed. Now 3. Gachantya, right. Taya
Geetam dash Samyak na Geetam Smaranti.
So Taya Geetam Smarantya. Geetam Smarantya. Samyak na Geetam. Taya. Okay. Taya is the guiding factor here. Taya is Tritiya pronoun. Taya Geetam Smarantya. She who was remembering the song, Samyak na Geetam. It was not sung by her who was remembering the song. It was not sung properly. Samyak na Geetam, not sung properly by her who was remembering the song. So Taya Geetam Smarantya Samyak na Geetam. Yes. 4th.
Rameshena Akashavanim dash Khadanam Vismrutam Shunvan.
Yes. Then Shunvan as it is come. Rameshena Shunvata. Srinivas?
Yes, sir.
Shunvata.
Khadanam Vismrutam.
Rameshena Akashavanim Shrunvata Khadanam Vismrutam. That means Ramesh is a person who forgot to eat while listening to the radio. Rameshena Akashavani Nama Atra All India Radio. We refer to radio in India. Rameshena Akashavanim Shrunvata. While listening by Ramesh, who was listening to the radio, Khadanam, Bhojanam, Vismrutam was forgotten. Eating was forgotten by Ramesh listening to the radio. That's the meaning. For 5th.
विद्यार्थिन्या dash उच्चैः हसितं क्रीडन्ति.
Kridanti strilinga, kridantya. As the noun vidyarthinya is in tritiya, so the shatru pratyanta also will be in tritiya, kridantya. Vidyarthinya kridantya uchchaihi hasitam. Uchchaihi iti padam avyaya padam. It is an avyaya. Nothing to do. Although it looks like ramaihi, it looks like tritiya bahuvachana, but it is an avyaya. We cannot say it is tritiya bahuvachana or anything. So, what is the meaning? The girl, the student who was playing laughed loudly. The student who was playing, the playing student rather, laughed loudly. Uchchaihi hasitam. Or literally, if you do awkward way, it was laughed by the girl student who was playing. 6.
शाटिकां dash महिलया समयः विस्मृतः
Pashyantya tritiya. So shatikam pashyantya mahilaya. By the mahila, the lady who was watching this saree so much that samayaha vismrutaha, time was forgotten. Time was forgotten by the lady who was watching at the saree. Shatikam pashyantya mahilaya samayaha vismrutaha. And here is the mistake which is covered in the Parisishtam. 7th Charcha is there, na Srinivas? Charcham. It should be Charcham. It is covered in the book. Those who have the books can look into the errata. Charcham it should be.
Charcham dash ताभिः शीघ्रं न गतं. कुर्वत्यः.
No. ताभिः कुर्वतीभिः. चर्चां कुर्वतीभिः. कुर्वत्या कुर्वतीभ्याम कुर्वतीभिः ताभिः शीघ्रं न गतम. That means those ladies did not go fast while doing the discussion, while discussing. चर्चां कुर्वतीभिः ताभिः महिलाभिः स्त्रीभिः शीघ्रं न गतम. They did not go fast while discussing, while indulging in the discussion. That is the meaning. Charcham kurvati vihi tavihi, understood is mahila vihi, shigram na gatam. Fast, they did not go fast. Again, this cannot be literally translated into English. Shigram na gatam means was not gone fast by the ladies who are discussing. 8th.
Trunam dash denubihi vatsah smutaha. Charantyah.
No. How is Charantya? Charantya. But it should be in Trutiya Bahuvachana, Dhenubhi. Charanti Vihi. So 8th one is Trunam Charanti Vihi Dhenubhi. Trunam Charanti Vihi Dhenubhi. Vatsaha Smrutaha. Not Vismrutaha. So the animals are better than human beings. That is what his sentence says. Trunam charanti vihi dhenu vihi. That means cows who while grazing, the calf was not forgotten. The calf was remembered. The calf was remembered by the cows who were grazing. Charanti vihi. Trunam charanti vihi dhenu vihi vatsaha smrutaha. So 9.
Geetam dash anujena nidra labdha. Shrunvan is Pratipadika.
Shrunvan Pratipadika. Bhojayan Shrunvata. Geetam Shrunvata anujena nidra labdha. So younger brother, Anuja here is younger brother. Anujena nidra labdha means sleep was obtained. Sleep was gotten. By whom? By the younger brother who was listening to the music. Geetam Shrunvata Anujena Bhratra Nidra Prapta Labdha. Prapta Labdha is here. Nidra Labdha. So just like listening to music and going into sleep. So Shrunvata Anujena. This is Pullinga. Now 10th one, Srinivas.
Marichikam dash Balikaya Rodanam Krutam.
Now I found this is also a mistake here. Marichika means mirage. Mirage.
Marichikam.
Marichika is mirage, but what is intended here in the book sentence, it is black pepper. And black pepper is marichikam. Marichikam or marichikam, there are two ways of writing it. Marichikam or marichikam. Marichakam also is there. Marichakam, but not marichika. The dirgha, akaranta dirgha is referring to mirage. So we would correct it marichikam. Marichakam will say. Srinivas. Marichakam. Maricham also is there. I checked, both are used. Maricham or marichakam. Marichakam. Khadantya balikaya rodanam krutam. Naturally, black pepper. So, girl cried, was eating the black pepper. You can say Mari, Dirgha, same Dirgha. Mari, Dirgha can be there. Not Chi, Cha. Marichakam khadantya balikaya rodanam krutam. So, it was cried by the girl who was eating the black pepper. So, please make a correction here. Marichakam or marichakam also. Cup also is not there. In the other word, maricham or marichakam, both are okay. 11.
Dash yanena balaha gataha.
So gachata yanena balaha gataha. Boys or girls, balaha we don't know. It can be boys and girls. Because balaha is pullinga plural. Balaha strilinga plural. If you take bala shabda, bala, bale, balaha. Bala shabda, balaha, balau, balaha. In both the cases, balaha, plural. Prathama bahuvachana would be balaha. Gataha is only going with it. So balaha gataha means boys and girls went by the vehicle, moving vehicle. Gachata yanena, by the vehicle which was going, the boys and girls went, or boys went, girls went, whatever it is. 12.
Dash purushena prushtabhagah drishyate. Dhavan is
Dhavan, dhavata, like gachan, both are same. Napumsakalinga gachat. Dhavan is pullinga. But you know the difference between Shatrupati, any Napumsaka and Pullinga is no distinction from Tritiya to Saptami. Yeah. So Gachata we said, now we will say Dhavata. Dhavata Purushena, by the person who is running. Prushta Bhagaha na Drishyati. So his back is not seen. Back is not seen by a person running forward. 14. 13.
Dash Bhaginya Vadyam Vaditam. Gayanti is the Pratipadikam.
Gayantya Bhaginya Vadyam Vaditam. So, Bhagini Shabda Strilinga. So, Gayantya Bhaginya Vadyam Vaditam means the instrument was played by the sister who was singing. Instrument was played by the sister who was singing. Gayantya Bhaginya Vadyam Vaditam. 14.
Dash Matra Sambhashanam Krutam. Pariveshayanti is the Pratipadikam. Pariveshayantya Matra.
Yes, Pariveshayantya. This is a very big word. Pariveshayan, up to that same, after and ya. Pariveshayantya Matra Sambhashanam Krutam. Mother talked while serving. Pariveshanam is while serving the food. Pariveshayantya Matra Jananya Sambhashanam Krutam. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Then 15 and then maybe the last one.
Harina Grihakala.
Oh, not last one. So many are there.
Kridan is a Pratipadikam.
So Kridata. Kridata Harina, by the deer who was playing. Gruhaka, oh no, somewhere taken. Hari is the name of person here. क्रीडता हरिना गृहकार्यं नैव कृतं. Hari is the name of boy. Homework was not done by Hari, who was playing. Playing Hari did not do his homework, if you put it in active voice. Kridata harina grihakaryam naiva krutam, not at all done. Naiva krutam means emphasis is there. Naiva krutam, not at all done.
Next, 16. Vahanam dash yuvatya marge patitam. Chalayanti is the present.
Chalayantya, very simple. Vahanam chalayantya, driving the vehicle. Yuvatya, by the lady, by the young lady who was driving the vehicle. Marge patitam, she fell on the road. The lady was driving the vehicle, fell on the road. Yes, 17. Patan chalayantya.
Geetam dash yuvakena natakamapi
Kriyate.
Gayan is the present.
Gayata. Geetam gayata yuvakena. So natakam api kriyate means like in old cinemas in India, old theatre and old cinemas, they used to both do acting and also singing, like L.K. Saigal. He used to sing for himself Bhanumati in Telugu field. She was also acting. Kishore Kumar also, actor come singer. So Gayata yuvakena natakam api kriyate. Acting is also done by the youth who was acting, who was singing a song. Geetam gayata yuvakena natakam api kriyate. 18.
Dash vruddhena patrika patyate. Upavishan is the particle. Upavishata vruddhena.
Yes, upavishata vruddhena patrika patyate means an old man reads newspaper while sitting. But this is in a passive or bhave. Upavishata vruddhena patrika patyate. This is passive voice. So newspaper is read by the old man sitting. 19.
Shrutabihi grihakaryam na krutam. Jalpantiyah is the pratipadikam. Jalpantabihi tabihi.
No, there is a mistake given in the answer book. Jalpanti bihi. Jalpati bihi. Yeah. Jalpati bihi is given in the answer book, Parisystem. Jalpati bihi is wrong. Jalpanti bihi. Num should be there. Jalpanti bihi tabihi grihakaryam na krutam. Means the household work was not done by those ladies who were chit-chatting. The ladies who were chit-chatting did not do the housework. Jalpanti bihi tabihi mahila bihi, understood. Griha karyam na krutam. 20.
Marge dash yuvakaihi vidyarjanam naiva kriyate. Bhramantah is pratipadikam.
Brahman brahmantau brahmantah brahmantam brahmantau brahmatah brahmata brahmadbhyam brahmadbihi. So marge brahmadbihi, that is what Srinivas you got. Yuvakaihi. Marge brahmadbihi yuvakaihi vidyarjanam naiva kriyate. Means you can understand, you young fellows who roam on the road never get educated. Young people who roam on the road. Marge brahmadbihi yuvakaihi vidyarjanam naiva kriyate. So this is in passive voice, but we have to understand it. That. So Vidyarjanam, literally, education is not possible, does not come to the youth who move on the roads. 21.
Dash munina ashirvadaha datta.
Dattaha should be there, because Visarga printed, not printed. Because Ashirvada Shabda is Pullinga, therefore Datta also become Dattaha.
Japan is the
Japata. Japata munina Ashirvadaha Dattaha. By the sage who was meditating, Ashirvada was given. Ashirvada, blessing, was conferred by the sage meditating. So Dattaha, make one correction there, Visarga put. 22.
Dash jalena vrukshakhandaha niyate. Pravahat is the pratipadikam. Pravahata jalena.
Yes, Vrukshakhandaha niyate. This you can see, pravahata jalena, by the flowing water. By the flowing water, vriksha khandaha niyate, a branch of tree is carried. A branch of tree is carried away by the flowing water. That is, pravahata jalena, pravahat is the jala shabda is napumsaka, therefore the pratipadika is given pravahat. If the jala shabda in the place of jala shabda any pullinga shabda, pravahan. If any strilinga is there, pravahanti. That is the difference. Next, 23. Hitavachanam
dash jananya kinchit
tarjitam.
Bodhayanti is pratipadikam.
Again, jananya is trutiya.
Hitavachanam bodhayanti.
Yes, bodhayantya jananya kinchit tarjitam. That means mother who was giving hitavachana, who was giving good counsel. Mother who was giving counsel, good counsel, a little, she gave a little threat. Kinchit tarjitam. Tarjana means threatening. A little threatening was done by the mother, Jananya Matra, who was giving counseling, who was giving good counseling. Okay? While giving good counseling, hitavachanam bodhayantya, while giving good counseling, a little threatening was done by the mother. 24, dhanam dash.
Pitra sambhashanam na krutam yachan is pratipadikam.
So, yachata, dhanam yachata pitra sambhashanam krutam. Sambhashanam na krutam. Yes. This is going with the sambhashanam na krutam. Conversation was not indulged in by the father who was giving the money. Who, while giving the money, it was not talked by the father. So, next, mandire, 25.
Pujayantaha, sorry, dash, mandire dash mahilavihi bhajanam gitam pujayantiyaha.
Pujayanti vihi. Mandire pujayanti vihi mahila vihi bhajanam gitam. So, in the temple, women did the bhajana while doing the puja. Women sang the glories of God while doing the worship. Pujayanti vihi mahila vihi bhajanam gitam. Bhajanam Gitam, Bhajana, glory of song. Song was rendered. Right, 26, Srinivas.
Vasturi dash janaihi chatramapi kritam krinantaha is pratipadikam
Krinadbihi. Krinata, Krinadbhyam, Krinadbihi. Vastuni Krinadbihi janaihi chatramapi kritam. People who are buying things, vastu. Vastuni Krinadbihi janaihi chatram api kritam. Chatram nama tatra umbrella. An umbrella was also bought by the people who are buying some things. An umbrella was bought by the people who was buying things. Vastuni Krinadbihi janaihi. So 27 Srinivas.
Patham dash chatrayana gita api pathita.
Here there is a mistake. Patantaha is mistake which is covered in the Parisystem. Patan should be given. Originally, yes. Originally you make a correction there. Patan. 27. Patham patata chatrayana gita api patita. So the student who was reading the lesson, by the student who was reading the lesson, Gita was also studied. Gita api patita. Then 28.
Chitram dash balakaihi varnaha api yojitaha.
Chitram likhad bihi. Likhad bihi. Yes. Chitram likhad bihi balakaihi varnaha api yojita means the boys who are making the picture, portrait. Varnaha api yojita means a color also was added. Color was also added by the boys who were making the portrait. Chitram likat bihi balakaihi. 29. Aviratam.
Dash lataya adhuna hasitam rudati is a participle.
So rudati is going to tritiya. This is pratama ekavachana. Rudati, rudatim, rudatya. Aviratam, nirantaram. Aviratam means nirantaram, rudatya, krandatya, vilapantya. Rudatya means vilapantya. Sevikaya, no, not sevika. Lataya means a female servant who was continuously crying was laughed now. Now laughed. Servant who was continuously crying laughed now. Adhuna hasitam. This is bhavya prayoga.
Where is servant? How can we?
Lataya na? Oh, sorry, I am jumping. This noun I am adding. Sevika is there. Achha. So Lata, who was continuously crying, laughed now. Lata, who was continuously, aviratam means nirantaram rudatya, lataya, adhuna, idanim, now, avyayam. Adhuna is avyaya, hasitam. Next, patrani.
Patrani dash sevikaya jalamapi puritam prakshalanti
prakshalayantya.
sevikaya.
Patrani prakshalayantya sevikaya jalamapi puritam. The maid servant who was washing the dishes also filled the water. Jalamapi puritam. Water, like in our Indian situation, maid servant not only washes the utensils, but she sometimes even catches the. Now, what is this Jalapurana is something which the Western students cannot understand. So, in India, we store water when it comes. Water comes once in 2 days, and we store up the drinking water. So, that is the sentence here. The maid servant who was washing the dishes also filled the water. Jalamapi puritam. 31 Srinivas.
Bhajanam dash taya shlokaha uktaha
kurvatya. Bhajanam kurvatya taya shlokaha uktaha. That lady who was doing the bhajana, who was doing the singing the glory of God, uttered a sloka. Slokaha api uktaha. Even a sloka was told. A poem was recited by the lady who was doing the glory of God. 32 Srinivas. Kurvatya taya.
dash vaidikena puja kriyate
Ucharayata. Vedam ucharayata vaidikena puja kriyate. That is, a Vedic scholar does puja while uttering the Veda. While uttering the Vedic mantra, Vedic scholar does the puja. So, puja is done by the Vedic scholar while uttering the Veda. 33.
Karyam dash adhikarina dhanam dattam.
Karyam vadata adhikarina dhanam dattam. So, money was given by the officer. Adhikarina dhanam dattam. Money was given by the officer while telling about the work. Karyam vadata, while telling about the work. And the last one.
Apanam dash shobhaya dhanam na neetam.
Apanam gacchantya. Shobhaya is tritiya. Apanam gacchantya shobhaya. Dhanam na neetam. Shobha did not take money while going to the market. Money was not taken by Shobha while going to the market also, you can understand. Money was not taken by, literally speaking, Shobhaya dhanam na neetam, was not carried by Shobha while going to the market. Apanam gacchantya. So, Srinivas, we have to write 34 are there. Go very slowly.
Only one word.
One word only, yeah. We can write on the board. There's some mistakes I told you, we will also highlight that.
Yes.
You remember this example, Balakena likati, we have to write that correction. 7th, Charcham is there in the book, but we have to write. And Marichika, akada, you just remind me. So, example 7, 10, and also this Jalpanti 19, you just pause. And 27 is also a mistake given in the book itself. My pens are there? Here. Abhyasa?
297.
One.
This example, there is a
Example we have to demonstrate. Okay.
Pathan balakena likhati.
What is the mistake given?
Likhati.
Likhati is there, na?
Likhyate.
Patan balake. So this has to be. Then we can take 1.
Prabodhayata guruna adishtam. Prabodhayata.
Okay. Everything dash 2.
Gacchantya mahilaya.
Gacchantya. Three.
Smarantya samyak. Sorry. Taya geetam smarantya samyak na geetam.
Dash.
Smarantya samyak na geetam.
Okay, right. 4.
Rameshena akashavanim shrunvata
Shrunvata Akashavani.
khadanam vismrutam.
Okay.
5. Vidyarthinya क्रीडन्त्या उच्चैः हसतु.
What should I write? Kridantya?
क्रीडन्त्या.
6.
शाटिकां पश्यन्त्या महिलया समयः विस्मृतः.
Yes, 7.
Here we have to चर्चां.
Charcham. There is a basic mistake in the text itself. I will write down.
चर्चां.
Right? Oh, Charcham. Okay. Next.
कुर्वत्यः कुर्वद्भिः ताभिः.
Kurvativi.
कुर्वतीभिः ताभिः कुर्वतीभिः dash ताभिः शीघ्रं न गतम्.
Tabihi Shikram Nagatam. Right. 8.
तृणं dash तृणं चरन्त्या
Charantya.
चरद्भिः रेणुभिः चरद्भिः
Charadbi. Charant.
चरन्त्या.
No. What is the number?
8 sir.
8. Charanti bihi. Charanti bihi. Bahuvachana is there, na? Trunam na. Geetam Shrunvata.
Here Marichika.
Where the textual mistake I am writing with pen.
Marichika.
Marichakam. What is next?
Khadantya balikaya.
Is it visible, Srinivas?
Yes.
Okay. Palikaya Roditam, whatever it is. Yeah. 11.
Gacchata yanena.
Gacchata. Right, beginning Gacchata. Yanena. Okay.
Dhavata
13.
गायन्त्या भगिन्या
That's 14.
परिवेशयन्त्या मात्रा परिवेशयन्त्या मात्रा 15. क्रीडता हरिणा
Right.
वाहनं चालयन्त्या युवत्या
17.
गीतं गायता युवकेन
Oh, Gayatha.
गायता 18. उपविशता वृद्धेन
19.
19 this is a mistake. जल्पन्त्यः ताभिः गृहकार्यं न कृतम्
19th. Jalpanti vihi. This is not textual, na? Answer only. Yeah.
जल्पन्तिभिः
Jalpanti vihi.
मार्गे भ्रमद्भिः युवकैः भ्रमद्भिः युवकैः
Brahmadbihi. 21.
जपता मुनिना
Japata Munina. Right.
प्रवहता जलेन 23 हितवचनं बोधयन्त्या
Matra.
जनन्यं
Jananya is right.
धनं यच्छता पित्रा
25.
मन्दिरे पूजयन्तिभिः
Pujayanti vihi.
महिलाभिः
Right.
26 वस्तूनि क्रीडद्भिः जनैः क्रीडद्भिः जनैः 27 there is a mistake. पाठं पठन्तः छात्रेण गीता अपि पठिता
The textual mistake is 27. Patantaha should be patan.
पठता
The bracketed word should be patan. Patatha. So the answer is patatha.
dash पठता
Right. 28.
चित्रं लिखद्भिः बालकैः लिखद्भिः बालकैः अविरतं रुदता लतया
Rudata.
रुदता
Lataya.
30 पात्राणि प्रक्षालयन्त्या सेविकया प्रक्षालयन्त्या
31. Over.
भजनं कुर्वत्या तया कुर्वत्या
Okay. 5. 3 more. Huh? Oh. So Achha, 3 more. We'll wait for a little while, 1 or 2 minutes. So just check fast reading. So in the example itself is likhyate should be there. That we have made the correction. Patata balakena likhyate. Prabodhayata gacchantya smarantya shrunmata kridantya pashyantya. Charcham, there is a text mistake there. Charcham kurvati bihi dash charanti bihi trunam charanti bihi dhenu bihi shrunvata. Marichikam is there. Please make a correction. Marichakam we have written. We can also take marichakam, maricham, but marichakam is better. Marichakam khadantya balikaya etc. 11th gacchata dhavata gayantya pariveshayantya kridata chalayantya gayata upavishata jalpati bihi. 19 jalpanti bihi. Na gan jalpanti bihi. 19 where is 19? Jalpanti bihi. Bhramat bihi. Read. Jalpata Japya yachata pujayanti bihi kridat bihi patata. There the Q word should be patan, not patanta. Patata. Likhat bihi rudata prakshalayantya kurvatya. The last word is awkwardly written because below it is kurvatya. I may write that one again. So kurvatya. These are 3 more answers we can cover up on the top. Top we can take. 31, 32. Yes, Srinivas?
So Vedam
Ucharayata.
Vaidikena. 33. Karyam vadata adhikarina. 34. Can we remove that?
Yeah. The last.
Gacchantya shobhaya.
What is that?
Apanam.
Acha, okay.
Is given. Gacchantya.
Shobhaya. Okay. Dhanam na. Okay. These are the. I am a big exercise, no doubt, but since we are coming to the end of this Shatrupratayanta, exercises are becoming big and bigger. So immediately after this we will be going to Chaturthi Prayoga in Shatru. Shatrupratayante Chaturthi Prayoga. Chaturthi Bhakti katham va शत्रन्ते भवति इति वयं पश्यामः. एतस्य अभ्यास अनन्तरं पठनानन्तरं अभ्यासस्य पठनानन्तरं we'll just read, let the monitor, let it be there for some time, reading. Shashtaha stavakaha chaturthaha pataha Shatrupratayanta rupam chaturthi prayogaha. Now we are going to the Chaturthi. Now so far we have done so many sentences in Tritiya only. Gacchantya, gacchata, patata, likhatya, pariveshayantya, etc. Tritiya in Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsaka. Now we are going to see Chaturthim Pashyamaha idanim. Pullinge patatu Srinivas.
Balakah likhati mata tasmai dugdham dadati Mata likhate balakaya dugdham dadati.
Next, Vruddhaha.
Vruddhaha patati pathikaha tasmai dandam yachati. Pathikaha patate vruddhaya dandam yachati.
So, this is in Pullinga, so you can show them now. Srinivas, you can show them. So, if you are seeing the book on the monitor, Adholikitani Vakyani Pata. Now we read these three stages. Balakaha likhati, boy is writing. Mata tasmai dugdham dadati, mother gives him milk. Mata likhate balakaya dugdham dadati. So in the third stage, the sentence is further enhanced by putting the likhati dhatu kriyapada rather in Shatru Pratyayanta Chaturthi Vibhakti. First it is likhati and then it is mata likhate balakaya putraya. Mother gives milk to the boy who is writing. Now here for the boy who is writing. Now there is a rule, na? Sampradane Chaturthi. Yeah. So going by that rule here, balakaya is Chaturthi. And since balaka shabda is in Chaturthi, the Shatru Pratyayanta also has got to be in Chaturthi. Bala likhate. So likhat, likhan, likhantam, likhata, likhate. If you see the derivation. Those who have not followed the derivation of this, they may have to go to see the derivation. I will give the page number where total derivations are provided. They are given on page 606. Derivation of this Shatru Pratyayanta are provided on 606 in the back pages. Not necessary. That means they may have to go to my two classes before. Today is 288. Na?
Yes.
In the 285 class it is covered. The total derivation is shown in the 285th class. So here look the word likhati, simple present tense changing to Shatru Pratyayanta, likhate. Now if you remember, just I will read the Ekavachanas of the Shatru Pratyayanta. Likhan, likhantam, likhata, likhate, likhataha, likhataha, likhati. This is the Ekavachana to Saptami, singular. In Prathama to Saptami, singulars only. So as per that, Srinivas, Mata likhate balaya, balakaya. Kim dadati? Dugdham dadati. So in the next example, Vruddhaha patati. An old man falls, or an old fellow is falling. Patikaha, or traveler, tasmai dandam yachati. So patikaha, passenger, tasmai dandam yachati, gives him the stick. So next stage it is developed. This patati is put in Chaturthi. Patati, patikaha, the passenger, patate vruddhaya, the old man who is falling, the falling old man. The passenger to the falling old man, dandam yachati, gives the stick. Passenger gives the stick to the person falling, the old man falling. Patate vruddhaya. So patate is in Chaturthi, since the vruddhaya is in Chaturthi, and since yachati, dan, the dhatu, giving is yachati is involved, we have Chaturthi here. Right, Srinivas? So that is, and some more pictorials.
Suryaha udeti sadhu tasmai argyam
dadati. Yeah.
Sadhu udyate suryaya argyam dadati.
So in the similar fashion here, Suryaha udeti, the sun rises. Sadhuhu tasmai suryaya, understood. Sadhuhu tasmai suryaya argyam dadati, gives the argya, oblation, water oblation. So sadhu is offering oblation to the sun. Next stage, sadhuhu udyate Suryaya. Now I said Suryaya in the second picture. Sadhu tasmai means Suryaya argyam dadati. Sadhu udyate Suryaya. Now what does udyate Suryaya means? To the rising sun. Sadhu offers oblation to the rising sun. Udyate Suryaya argyam dadati. So these three examples, Srinivas, we have seen in Pullinga.
Yes, sir.
And how's the time?
We have 4 minutes.
4 minutes. I think we can finish Strilinga also. Examples?
Bhagini
Yes, read.
Krishati, Bhrata tasyai vastram dadati. Bhrata krandatyai bhaginyai vastram dadati. Next.
Saraswati. The Veenam Vadayati.
Tasyai namaha. Veenam
Vadayantyai.
Saraswatyai namaha.
So we'll only analyze this and the rest. Next page we'll take up next class. Bhagini Strilinge. Idanim vayam Strilinge pashyamaha. Bhagini krandati. Sister is crying. Bhrata, brother, tasyai, bhaginyai, understood? Vastram dadati, gives a cloth to her. Bhrata krandantyai, bhaginyai. Now these two are in Chaturthi. Krandantyai, bhaginyai, vastram dadati. Brother gives a dress to the crying sister. Offers a dress to the crying sister. So, bhaginyai Chaturthi, krandantyai is Chaturthi. Shatru Pratyanta Strilinga Rupa. Then Saraswati Veenam Vadayati. Goddess Saraswati is playing on the Veena, lute. Tasyai Namaha. Salutation to her in the second picture. Veenam Vadayantyai Saraswatyai Namaha. Salutation to Saraswati who is playing on the lute. Vadayantyai Saraswatyai. Veenam Vadayantyai Saraswatyai Namaha. Since Namaha Shabda is used and the rule, remember, Namaswasti Swaha Swada, etc., Chaturthi govern. Therefore, Veenam Vadayantyai Saraswatyai Namaha. Salutation to that Saraswati who is playing on the Veena, playing on the lute. Okay? Atra vayam sthapayamaha. Shubham bhuyat.